Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make fermented food at home, full guide. Start by sterilizing jars and gathering fresh produce, salt, and cultures. Rinse and trim vegetables, weigh salt, and prepare a simple brine. Pack jars tightly, leaving headspace, and seal with an airlock or loose lid. Store at a stable temperature and taste regularly until desired tang and texture are reached, then refrigerate to slow fermentation. Make sauerkraut by massaging cabbage with salt until water is released, then pack firmly into jars to keep it submerged under brine. Use a weight or cabbage leaf to prevent exposure to air and reduce mold risk. Ferment at a cool, steady temperature and sample daily after day 3 to monitor flavor and texture. When it's pleasantly tangy, move jars to the fridge to slow fermentation and preserve the taste. Fermented drinks like kombucha and water kefir need clean vessels and healthy cultures such as SCOBY or kefir grains. Brew sweet tea or sugar water, cool to room temperature, and add the culture to start fermentation. Monitor for proper carbonation and off smells, and transfer to bottles with breathing room or use an airlock to control pressure. Chill when carbonation and acidity are right to stop fermentation and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.